Hello. Do you know that you can make a killing on Amazon KDP by writing on these following niches that I am going to give to you now? As a beginner in this year 2023, if you want to make a killing on Amazon KDP, out of these 8 niches that I'm going to mention, choose 2 from it, then research on it, listen on, keep on watching for you to get the best. The first one is cookbooks, food and wine. The second one is, I'm going to keep the best the last point. I'm going to mention the best at the last point. The second one is self-help. The third one is health, fitness and dieting. The fourth one is religion and spirituality. The fifth one is politics and social science. The sixth one is business and money. The seventh one is finance, cryptocurrency and blockchain. The last and the amazing one is travel guides. When you choose your niches from this and make a good research on it, you are going to make a killing from Amazon KDP. Keep watching out for my new videos, because I am going to give you people a lot of things that is going to benefit your journey on Amazon KDP. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more videos.